Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. My name is Nofarin Azamati Makakosi and my batch number 803712, and for 223 videos I'll be doing the second question B, which is the yn equals to nxn, and I will determine whether the following DT system are linear or non-linear, time invariant or time variant, casual or non-casual, and have memory or memoryless. Then I will just simplify the answer in the following part. So to determine the character of the given DT system, first to analyze the linearity. A DT system is linear if it satisfies the property of superposition and homogeneity. To test linearity, we need to check the system obey this property for an input. Okay, for the first one, for the homogeneity, we can see it is homogeneous because ky1n is equals to y2n, where we can see that xn equals to gn equals to this, and x2 and equals to kgn equals to y2n. Then in the end we will get this, and let's see that it is homogeneous. And then we're gonna see the additivity, where we can see that s1 n is equal to gn is equal to yn equal to ngn. Then in the end we will see that it is additive because y3 n equals to ngn plus nhn, and we will get this. So we know that it is linear because it is homogeneous plus additive. And then for the time invariance, a DT system is time invariant if the time shift in the result is the same time shift in the output. So as we can see here, it is time variance because the y equals to n minus n naught equals to n minus n naught, g n minus n naught is not equals to y to n, which is y to n is this one and it's not equal to this one. So it is time variance. For the causality, a DT system is causal if the output at any time that only depends on the current and past value of the input, but it has no future values. So to determine the system is casual or not, it is casual because we can see that the output yn depends on the current value n, which means it depends on the current and past value of the input n. So there is no dependence on the future values of the input. Hence it is casual. For the memory, a DT system is memoryless if the output at time that is the only function of the current input sample do not depend on past value. So we will see that it is no memory because the current input simple n's are not dependent by output yn.